this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel and my first ever monthly plan with me. I just couldn't wait to get into my new Erin Condren Life Planner when I got this beautiful kit from Nedi Designs called Bloom and Grow. I got the silver foil to go with it, icons, and the overlays for the top section. I'm also using her holiday labels and her month and year labels in silver foil. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting that down. I literally got this kit in the mail today. I could not wait to get into my Erin Condren with something and thought, what better to start with than this monthly kit. It is absolutely stunning. It's called Bloom and Grow. I totally had Edelweiss stuck in my head all day, and I was wondering why. Please comment below if you get that reference. Thank you. Since all we're really doing for this is just the setup, I thought I would go ahead and answer some questions that I've received from some different Facebook groups, planner-based Facebook groups. The first of which that I'll answer is from, and I apologize if I mispronounced her name, Judalind Laguerre. So sorry if I mispronounced her name. She wanted to know what got me into sticker planning, or planning in general. I first started planning, honestly, when I was about 9 years old. I started with stickers by trading stickers with some girls in my class, my 4th grade class. There was a group of Korean exchange students, and they had the most beautiful Korean stickers. Comment down below if you were part of the Korean sticker craze in elementary school. They got us super into collecting stickers, and I remember I had this cheap little peach colored 1-inch binder that I think stole from my mom, who was using it for school at the time. And I got plastic sheets, and I put my stickers in those plastic sheets and brought my sticker collection to school to trade with the other girls who were obsessed with stickers. And we always brought our sticker collection binders to school on rainy days because we knew we would have indoor recess and be able to trade stickers. And different stickers were a different value. Like if they were the puffy ones, they were worth more, so you could trade more regular stickers for one puffy sticker. Again, I probably sound crazy unless you were involved in this kind of craze too in elementary school. Comment down below if you were, and we can be excited together. So that's really how I started with stickers, collecting stickers. So it's been a long time coming. And then I sort of had a resurgence as an adult. A member of my family, we call her my sister-in-law. She's my husband's cousin's wife. She was really into Erin Condren. And about a year ago, she showed me her planner, and I just was obsessed. And I said, oh my gosh, please take me to the place where all of the beautiful stickers and accessories and planner things are. And she took me to our local Erin Condren store, and I just was completely hooked. I started with the teacher planner, and then moved briefly into the Aura Estelle inserts, which I'm in now, that I'm jankily taping into my teacher planner because I was tired of franken planning with the teacher planner layout. And now this is my first spread in an Erin Condren Life Planner, and I absolutely loved it. It was so quick, so easy, just a dream. It was wonderful. I did put some things in that decorative, not decorative, functional sidebar. Let's see, next month header, vacation header, and important headers, just to mark anything in any of those categories in the sidebar, along with icons to go with each one of those. Let's see, the next question that I'll answer today came from, I forgot part of the story. My sister-in-law, she was really into bullet journaling, but I found out about decorative planning, sticker plannings, specifically from Elle Fowler of Glam Planner. I started watching her years ago for her beauty content, and then I was just browsing through her channel one day and noticed that her affiliated channels in that list was her Glam Planner channel, and I just clicked on it and started watching it and became obsessed with stickers from a planning standpoint. And I've been planning ever since that way. Got my Erin Condren then, my teacher planner, and been doing it ever since for about a year now. Now we're ready for the next question. Is from Jennifer Beach, again on Facebook. She asked how to navigate websites, sticker related shop websites, where to start buying, and kind of how to get started in terms of buying decorative stickers. Let's see. I always said that when you look at shops, I always start with the new releases section, just because it's accessible, it's right there, it's the most current stuff. You know it'll be in stock at least for a little bit. So I always start with the new releases. And let's see, and then I go and look in my own collection of stickers that I already have, and I make a list, a paper and pen list of any gaps that I have in my collection, things that I'm missing, things that I wish I had, things that I find myself reaching for that I don't have, and then I'll use keywords related to those things to then search in the search bar of different shops that I know might carry what I need. For example, if I knew I needed a character sticker to signify working out, I might go to a shop that specializes in character stickers. Once More with Love, One Ton in a Million, Coffee Monsters Co., things like that, and then search in the search bar the word workout. And hopefully something similar to what I would need to fill that gap in my collection might come up when I search. It's just my recommendation. I hope that helps. Let's see. Leticia Cicero G, again, so sorry if I mispronounced your name, asked, what planner have you tried and what is your favorite? The planner that I did have a small ring-bound planner, again, way back when I was about 9, that I used just to write little notes to myself. That was part of the sticker trading craze that I was involved in. It had just basic note pages, dot grid, and space for stickers. It came with a couple sticker sheets. And then I tried, this past year I was in an Erin Condren teacher planner. This is where I started decorative planning with stickers. And since the dimensions are completely different on an Erin Condren teacher planner as compared to an Erin Condren life planner, I was having to do Franken planning pretty much the whole year when it came to using my teacher planner with sticker kits. So now this is actually my very first spread in my Erin Condren vertical, which is great For a brief period, as you'll see in some of my other weekly plan with me's that I have up, I've been using the Aurostel weekly vertical inserts that are really nice. They're not cumbersome. They fit the stickers well, don't involve frankenplaning. It's quick, easy, and neat. So I am enjoying that. But I am very much looking forward to moving into this planner, my Erin Condren Life Planner, full time in just a few weeks. And the last question is from Sharon Ann on Facebook. She asked me to describe my sticker planning style and what is particular, what is special about my sticker planning style. My style is that I like to decorative plan using weekly sticker kits mostly, and in this case a monthly. I haven't really done much with monthlies in the past, but I was just inspired by this kit and really wanted to get into my life planner. So I am using a monthly for the first month in it. In my teacher planner, I was doing exclusively frankenplaning. Frankenplaning, if you're not aware, is just combining a bunch of things to make it work. It involves, for me at least, cutting a lot of stickers, moving things around, filling up random bits of white space, just since the formatting was totally different. Sticker kits are traditionally cut to fit something like an Erin Condren Life Planner, so when you bring in a much larger scale planner like the teacher planner, it involves a lot of needing to shift things around, cut things, move things, add things in to fill in white space. It was fun, but it was also, it got old. So I did switch over to the Aurostel inserts just for a break, and I'll be moving into this in a little bit. Let's see. In general, I am primarily a fan of no white space planning. More recently, I've become a big fan of bougie boxes. They serve two purposes for me: to fill in white space, and it makes it easier to move stickers around. It's much easier to move things around over a bougie box than just the paper itself, and I always worry about pulling up the paper. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, love, and happy planning. Bye-bye.